Hi everyone, welcome back to Fluento, everyday English for real life. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. Hey, Anna, how are you today?
Honestly, I'm a little tired. I woke up this morning with a big list of things to do, and now it's already afternoon and I feel like I did nothing.
Oh no, really? That sounds frustrating.
Yes, you know that feeling? You're busy all day, but at the end of the day, you look back and think, wait, what did I actually do?
I know that feeling very well. But you know what? I think a lot of our viewers feel the same way too.
Absolutely. And hello everyone watching. If you ever feel like time just disappears, this video is for you.
Today, we're going to talk about something very real, something very everyday. Time, managing your time, and also how to find time to practice English in a busy life.
Because we know life is busy, work is busy, family is busy, but learning English is important to you. So let's talk about how to make it work.
And don't worry, we're going to keep it simple. Easy vocabulary, short sentences, real ideas, okay?
Perfect. Let's start.
So, Anna, you said your morning was a little crazy. Tell me more. What happened?
Okay, so this morning I woke up and I thought, I have 1 hour before work. I'm going to study English, clean my desk, and make a healthy breakfast.
Wow, that's a lot for 1 hour.
I know, but I felt very motivated. So I sat down at my desk and then I picked up my phone just to check one message.
Oh, just one message.
Just one, but then I saw a notification and then another one and then a funny video and then a photo from my friend and then
And then 1 hour was gone?
45 minutes was gone. I looked up and I thought, where did the time go?
Anna, I'm laughing, but only because I understand completely.
And the worst part, I didn't study English, I didn't clean my desk, I didn't make a healthy breakfast. I ate a banana and ran out the door.
A banana. That's your breakfast.
That was my breakfast, David. A banana and some stress.
Okay, everyone. Can you relate to this story? Maybe your distraction is not the phone. Maybe it's the TV, or talking with someone, or just sitting and thinking, I'll start in 5 minutes.
I'll start in 5 minutes, and then 5 minutes becomes 30 minutes.
Exactly. This is very common, and today we want to help you with this.
David, do you ever have this problem, or are you always very organized?
No, I am not always organized, but I learned something important a few years ago, and it changed how I use my time.
Oh, tell us.
So, I had a big English exam. I needed to study a lot, but every evening after work, I was so tired. I came home, sat on the sofa, and thought, I'll study after dinner. Then after dinner, I thought, I'll study after this show. Then I watched the show and thought, I'm too tired now. I'll study tomorrow.
Oh no, and tomorrow came.
And tomorrow I did the same thing every single day.
So what happened? Did you fail the exam?
I almost did. I scored just enough to pass, but I felt bad. Not because of the score, because I knew I could do better. I just didn't manage my time well.
And what did you learn from that?
I learned that being busy is not the same as being productive.
Say that again, David. That's important.
Being busy is not the same as being productive.
Everyone, please repeat that with us. Ready? Being busy
Being busy
is not the same as being productive.
is not the same as being productive.
One more time, slowly. Being busy is not the same as being productive.
Excellent. This is so true. You can be busy all day and still not do the important things.
Like studying English.
Exactly, like studying English.
Okay, so let's talk about solutions. Real, simple, practical solutions.
Yes, and these are not big, complicated changes. These are small habits, small things you can start doing today.
Small is good. Small is manageable, right?
Right. Let's start with the first idea.
Tip number 1. Use small time blocks.
Yes, you don't need 1 hour to study English. You can study in 15 minutes, even 10 minutes.
Really? Only 10 minutes?
Yes, 10 minutes of focused study is better than 1 hour of distracted study.
That's a great point. If you sit for 1 hour but you check your phone every 5 minutes, you're not really studying for 1 hour.
Exactly. So try this. Choose a small block of time, maybe 15 minutes in the morning. Set a timer, study. That's it.
And don't think about all the other things you need to do, just those 15 minutes.
We call this focused time. Short, focused, effective.
Let's practice a sentence for this. Everyone, repeat after us. I study English for 15 minutes every morning.
Again, I study English
I study English
for 15 minutes
for 15 minutes
every morning.
every morning.
Good. Now your turn. Say the whole sentence. I study English for 15 minutes every morning. Go ahead. Okay, tip number 2. Use short moments during your day.
Oh, I love this one. Tell everyone what that means.
So every day we have small moments of waiting. Waiting for the bus, waiting in line at a coffee shop, waiting for a meeting to start, waiting for food to cook.
These moments feel useless, right? You just wait.
But they're not useless. These moments are perfect for a little English practice.
So instead of opening social media while you wait, open an English app. Listen to one English sentence. Repeat it quietly.
Or review 5 new words. Or listen to 30 seconds of an English podcast.
30 seconds is enough?
30 seconds is a start, and small starts become big progress.
That's true. I remember when I was learning a new skill, I practiced for just a few minutes each day. And after 1 month, I noticed a real difference.
It works. Consistent small practice is more powerful than occasional long practice.
Consistent. That's our word for today. Consistent means you do it regularly, every day or almost every day.
Consistent. Say it with us. Consistent.
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 Good. So everyone, think about your day. When do you have small moments of waiting? Tell us in the comments. Tip number 3, remove one distraction.
Just one?
Just one. Remember, we're keeping it simple. Don't try to change everything at once.
Okay, I like this. So what's one distraction you can remove?
For example, when you sit down to study, put your phone in another room, not in your pocket, not on the table, another room.
Oh, that sounds hard.
It is hard, at first, but after a few minutes, you forget about it and you focus better.
I tried this last week, actually. I put my phone in the kitchen while I was working in my office, and honestly, I finished my work in half the time.
Really? Half the time?
Half the time, because I wasn't stopping every few minutes to check something.
That's amazing. So the idea is identify your biggest distraction and physically move it away from you.
If it's the TV, turn it off. If it's social media, log out, just for your study time.
Protect your time. I love that phrase. Everyone say it. Protect your time.
Protect your time.
Protect your time.
Say it one more time. Protect your time. Okay, tip number 4. Keep your goals simple.
Oh, this one is for me. I am a person who makes big, beautiful plans. And then...
And then the banana breakfast happens?
Ha! Yes, exactly. I plan too much, and when I can't do everything, I feel bad, and then I do nothing.
This is called all or nothing thinking. I need to do everything perfectly or I do nothing at all.
And it's a trap. It's a very common trap.
So instead, make your goal very small, very simple. For example, don't say, I will study English for 2 hours today.
Because if something happens and you only have 20 minutes, you feel like you failed.
Right. Instead, say, today I will learn 3 new words. That's it, 3 words.
3 words feels easy.
3 words is easy, and easy means you will actually do it. And when you do it, you feel good, and feeling good helps you continue tomorrow.
Small success leads to more success.
Exactly. Small success leads to more success. Everyone, can you say that?
Small success
Small success
leads to more success.
leads to more success.
Wonderful. David, I want to stop for a second because I think some people watching right now might feel a little guilty
Guilty? About what?
about their English. Maybe they started studying a few months ago, and then life got busy and they stopped, and now they feel bad.
Yes, I think you're right.
And when we feel guilty, it's hard to start again. You think, I was doing so well and now I stopped. What's the point?
Can I say something to those people?
Please.
Stopping is normal. Life is not always consistent. Sometimes work is crazy. Sometimes family needs you. Sometimes you're sick or tired or stressed.
Yes, that's life.
The important thing is not that you never stop. The important thing is that you start again.
That's so true. Progress is not a straight line. It goes up and sometimes it goes down, and that's okay.
If you stopped studying English, welcome back. Today is a new day. Start with 3 words. Start with 10 minutes. Start with one small thing.
You're not behind. You're just beginning again.
And beginning again is brave.
I love that, David. Beginning again is brave. Everyone, please remember that today.
Okay, can we talk about something funny now?
Oh, yes, please. We need a laugh.
So this week, I decided to practice English while I was cooking dinner.
Oh, good idea. Multitasking.
I thought so too. I put on an English podcast, very educational, very serious,
Sounds great.
and I was listening and cooking at the same time. Very proud of myself, very productive.
So what went wrong?
I was so focused on the podcast, the host was explaining something very interesting about grammar, and I completely forgot about my pasta.
David, no.
It was completely overcooked, like soft, very soft, almost like soup.
Pasta soup.
Pasta soup. Yes, that was my dinner.
So the lesson is multitasking is not always the answer.
The lesson is maybe don't cook complicated things while you practice English.
Or just listen while you wash dishes. That's safer.
Much safer. No pasta soup.
Everyone, have you ever had a funny multitasking moment? Tell us in the comments. We love reading your stories. Okay, let's do a quick recap. Let's remember everything we talked about today.
Great idea. So the main topic today was managing your time and finding time to study English in a busy life.
And we said something very important at the beginning. Let's remember, being busy
Being busy
is not the same as being productive.
is not the same as being productive. Yes.
And we shared 4 simple tips. Tip 1,
Use small time blocks. Study for 10 or 15 minutes. Focused, short, effective.
Tip 2,
Use short moments, waiting time, commuting time. Use it for a little English practice.
Tip 3,
Remove one distraction. Protect your study time.
and Tip 4,
Keep your goals simple. Learn 3 words. Practice 1 sentence. Small success leads to more success.
perfect. You remembered everything.
And we also said if you stopped studying, that's okay. Beginning again is brave.
Yes, always remember that. And now our bonus tip. One final idea. Simple, powerful. What is it?
Do it now.
Do it now?
Yes, not tomorrow, not next Monday, not when life is less busy, because life is always busy. Do it now.
Right now.
After this video, right now. Open your phone, find one English word you don't know. Learn it. Say it out loud. That's your English practice for today.
That's it? One word? Right now?
Do it now.
I love this tip because we always wait for the perfect moment, the perfect time, the perfect energy.
But the perfect moment doesn't come. The good moment is now.
Do it now. Everyone, say it with us. Do it now.
Do it now.
Do it now.
Beautiful.
Okay, everyone, we have one question for you today, and we really want to hear your answer.
Yes, this is important. Please answer in the comments.
The question is, what is your biggest time problem when you try to study English?
Is it your phone? Is it feeling too tired after work? Is it planning too much and doing too little?
Tell us. We read every comment. We love hearing from you.
And your answer might help another learner who has the same problem, so share your experience.
Also, if this video was helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow.
And if you're new here, welcome to Fluento. We make videos for everyday English learners. Real conversations, real vocabulary, real life.
Click subscribe so you don't miss our next video. We post every day.
And we have a lot more videos about daily English, talking about routines, making plans, giving advice, all at a pace that's easy to follow.
We want you to feel confident in English. Not perfect, confident.
Confident is enough.
Confident is everything.
Thank you so much for watching today. You are doing great, really.
Remember, small steps every day, consistent practice, simple goals, and do it now.
We'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye.